If you want to change language on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and then we want to go to general management. Once we go to general management, in here we can find the language option. Of course, now in here we need to press add language in order to choose the new language that we want to use on our phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose English. And if your language is used in different countries and regions, then you should be able to choose your region over here. Let's say I'm gonna choose United Kingdom. Now after that, we have the option to immediately set the language as the default one, or you can keep the current one for now. I'm gonna tap set as default, and there we go. Now on this list, the first language is the one that is being used on the phone. You can tap on edit in the upper right corner in order to change the order. So if you want to switch to another language, you can just drag it to the first spot and then the language is going to be updated. And also if you want to remove the alt language, you can of course select it in here and tap on remove at the bottom of this screen over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.